A simile is when one object is compared to another using like or as. These objects are usually unrelated. For example, as slow as a sloth, as busy as a bee, as innocent as a lamb, as proud as a peacock, as fast as a cheetah, as blind as a bat, as bold as brass, and as cold as ice. Similes are popular because they create a mental picture in the reader's mind. They create an image so you have a fuller understanding of what you are reading. Simply relying on adjectives and a bunch of words may not provide as fuller understanding. The information is relayed in a compact form. It is also used as a hyperbole to exaggerate and get the message across to the reader. I eat like a pig. The similes exaggerates and enhances the unrefined nature of how I eat. By striking your imagination of the pig, it gets across the information that my eating habits are. Thus, the reader is able to unconsciously consider the similarities and comprehend the true meaning of how I eat. This leaves a lasting impression of my eating habits. And did you notice how you show through pictures rather than tell? And did you notice how less words were used? Did you notice how sensually evocative the words pig was? This makes writing more understandable and relatable, setting the tone, mood, and feel for how I eat. I wouldn't say similes are only used to make writing more interesting, but to clarify, specify, and even evoke, often all at once.
Why not call us on 01924 50 60 10 or WhatsApp us on 0795 1918 152.